Hello dear friends. Today I am going to show you how to create multiple choice questions using Google Form. I know you all are aware how to create multiple choice questions, but whenever there is a question having more than two correct options as answers, at that time while checking those answers, if one answer is correct and one option is wrongly selected by the student, the Google Form will directly give wrong and 0 marks to that question. I'll show you one example. Suppose the question is a row is also called as dash in DBMS. Now here if you want to give options like suppose row is also called as record or row is also called as tuple. These are the two correct answers. And if you are going to give as wrong answers as column or attribute, and you are expecting that student should select these two answers, so I'll make here as checkbox and I'll just give the answer key. First of all, I will make this as a quiz, save, then I'll give the answer key as record and tuple and I'll assign marks, 2 marks. Okay, done. And if I see the preview of this question, and if I say that a row is also called as, suppose I select this record and tuple, submit, these two are the correct answers. If I view my score, here you can see I have secured 2 by 2 marks. But if, let's see, if I give one wrong answer or one option which is incorrect, say I'll say record and column and then submit. Now here one option is correct, that is record, so I must get 1 mark. Now I'll submit this and I'll view my score. Here you can see I have got 0 marks. So even though this answer is correct, you can see here this answer is correct, but still I am not getting marks for this. This is the lacuna in Google Form. So I have a solution for you all. What we can do is we can simply convert this question into checkbox grid. Here is checkbox grid. So what we can do is we can shift all these options from here to here. I am just copy pasting all my options from here to here, that is in that row. Okay, and I'm just deleting all these columns. Now you can see here the options are record, tuple, column and attribute, and answer key is record and tuple. I will change here marks as 1 and 1, and for the other options I am going to give 0 0 as marks or points, and that's it. I'll press done. Here you can see you can type select two correct answers. Now we will run this and you can see the change. Now see, a row is also called as dash in DBMS. So I'll select here record as a correct option and column as a wrong option. So I'll submit this and then you can view the score. Here you can see record is correct, column is incorrect, and I have got 1 mark for my this correct one option. So this is how you can create the multiple choice 2 correct type questions. You can also add multiple choice 3 correct type questions over here by selecting this checkbox grid option. In this rows you can give the options, and in column you can just give some heading, that is select 2 correct answers. Here I have mentioned this, and by selecting this the student will get marks. One thing you have to remember over here, while assigning the answer key, you have to give correct point marks over here, that is 1 point and 1 point, and for the other answers you are strictly have to give 0 0, so that if student selects these options then he or she will get 0 marks, and if from these two if student select any one option he will get 1 mark. That's it for today guys. Thank you. I hope you like my video. Please share the video with your friends. Thank you.